So what I can also do using DeepSeek is give a very basic pseudocode and then generate code out of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and write a very basic pseudocode. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say input a number from user. I'm going to press Control Enter to go to the next line, and I'm going to say check if the number is prime or not. So it's not even a properly formatted pseudocode, but just regular English, as you can see. Check if the number is prime or not. Press Control Enter. Then I'm going to say if the input number is prime, and I'm going to go around and say print the number is not prime. And then I'm going to press Control Enter, and I'm going to say if the number is prime, that is if the input number is prime, then print the number is prime. And I'm going to say ask user if another number needs to be checked right here. If yes, repeat the program, or else end the program. So you can see that this is a very basic pseudocode right here, which is not even properly formatted, but only has the logic. So I'm just going to go around and say write this pseudocode logic as a Python programming code right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do this and hit the send button right here, then what happens is that based on the pseudocode that I provided right here, it provided a Python code for me just like this. So it says here is a Python code based on the pseudocode logic that you provided right here. So it says enter a number, the number is prime, the number is not prime, and another is input. Do you want to check another number? Yes or no? And it says the programming ended and invalid input, please enter a valid number as well. So let me just go ahead and copy this out and take it into an online compiler and paste it out right here and hit the run button. And once you go ahead and do that, you can see it says enter number 67. Let's say, for example, it says the number is prime. We want to check another number, so I'm just going to go around and say yes and say 60, and it says the number is not prime. So I'm just going to go around and say yes right here. So I'm going to say 34, and it says the number is not prime. So I'm just going to go around, type in some random thing right here. It says the program actually ended right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around, hit the run button again and enter a random thing right here, and it says it's an invalid input, enter a number. So I'm just going to say 7, and it says number is prime, so I'm just going to say no, and the program ends. And that is how you can go around and write a simple pseudocode logic and then convert it into a programming code by using DeepSeek as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.